Hi, my name is Justin Klosky, and I'm here to give you some tips on how to make your workplace more productive. Thanks to Dell. Going wireless will save you time. Picking devices that are wireless will save you time. Cutting a cord will save you time. Think about how many times you got back to your desk and you forgot to plug in your laptop and all of a sudden your laptop was dead. Going wireless will allow you the freedom to not have to think about that because you can take your laptop, drop it on a mat, just like the Dell 7285 laptop that I've been playing with, and walk away knowing that it's charged. Also, chaos will be eliminated. Wires are exhausting. They steal our energy. They steal our time. So by eliminating wires, you're going to eliminate chaos, and eliminating chaos will make you feel more free, will make you feel more effortless in everything you're doing, and will save you time and energy. How many times have you caught yourself saying, wait a minute, I thought I had that person's information on my phone or on my computer, but you can't find it? The reason why you can't find it is because you're probably a little disorganized with where you're keeping your information. And for that reason, and that reason alone, have one account for all of your information. One account, one email address that connects your calendar, your contacts, your to-do list, not multiple accounts enabling all of these features because you're gonna have duplicates of things and you're not gonna know where anything is. So, one account to rule them all. Space is so important to us all. No one has enough space, right? Or do we have enough space, but we're just not using it right, okay? Think of your desktop as your space. And I'm not just talking about your tangible desktop in front of you. I'm talking about your desktop on your computer. Having two monitors allows you to have more desktop space. For that reason, if you're choosing to have two monitors, use each monitor for a particular reason. One for work, one for play. It will allow you to delineate what spaces you're using to be more effective, more efficient, and productive during your day. Handwritten calendars, handwritten address books, moving over birthdays from year to year to new dates. I'm already exhausted talking about it. For that reason alone, go digital with most of your information. It's easier to back up, it's easier to keep track of, and some of the technology these days does the work for you. So for that reason alone, make it your mission to get rid of everything, most of everything, that is handwritten and go digital. Scan, shred, back up. One more time. Scan, shred, back up. I say this because we have piles of paper, tons of filing cabinets taking up space in our lives. And one thing we all want is more space. So for that reason, scan almost everything in your life these days. Once it's scanned, shred it. Shred the things that you're kind of worried about people stealing your information on, which you could just shred anything as it is, and then make sure that you have a backup of it. Not just a backup on your computer, but a backup of that backup, just in case you lose your information. Scan, shred, backup. Change is okay. It is okay to look at your space and say, hey, I might want some new colors, or bring in a plant to have some more life to breathe in your space with. Also, I pick peripherals that add a little bit of life and zest to my space, like the Dell 34 Ultra Sharp 3417W curve monitor. It's slick, it's sleek, it looks good, and it complements my office. So when you're picking new pieces, new peripherals, new technology, think about these things because overall, it'll complement your workplace. Dive in, enjoy, and get comfortable with trying to be more efficient and saving some time and energy in your workplace.